What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking all about the Sephora sale that is currently going on right now. Now, if you were unaware, Sephora has a sale around this time every year where they give, I believe it's 20% off to VIB Rouge, 15% off to VIB, and then 10% off to BI members. I could be wrong. My percentages could be a little bit off. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll put all the details in the description box in case you're also not 100% sure. Everything will be listed down there. So I feel like because I've sort of spoken quite a bit very recently about a lot of my favorite products, like you guys know what I like. You guys know what I recommend. I didn't really want to do a whole video just basically talking about all those products again because it's redundant and it's boring and you guys already know the drill with all of them. So instead, what I'm doing today is I'm going to be doing a little haul because I went shopping, you guys. I'm gonna be going through all the products that I actually purchased myself during the sale. And then at the end of my little haul, I will give you guys a few more recommendations. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video and find it helpful. I would love if you guys could let me know in the comments what you plan on picking up during the sale, or if you've already gone shopping like I have, I would love to know your haul. Without further ado, we got so much stuff to talk about. It's gonna be a long video, so let's get right into it. Okay, I'm already sweating, so I'm gonna take this jean jacket off. It was cute while it lasted though. So let's first start off, with a NUDESTIX product. This is called the NUDESTIX Nude Beach Festival Kit. It comes in this little clear bag, which is very cute. And then inside you have one of like the classic NUDESTIX tins. And then inside here, you have 6 of the little NUDESTIX pencils. Now I will put some swatches of each one in here. What I was really excited to see is that all the shades that they included in this little kit are all brand new, I believe, except for this one over here. This is the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Kiss. But all the other pencils that they've included in here are brand new. So I was really excited to see that. So in this kit, you have 2 lip colors. You have a matte lip pencil in Kiss, like I said, and then you also have a gel color in the shade Haven. Oh my God, this looks like such a perfect pinky nude. One second, I actually want to put this on my lips right now. Oh, I really like that a lot. Okay. A++. Really excited to try all of the other eye pencils because they seem to be shades that are going to be really great just to sort of like swipe on and go. There's 3 shades that are a little bit more shimmery and then there's 1 matte shade. I completely did not even realize that there's also a Nudies matte in here. This is the new bronzer that they released in the shade Sunkissed. I gotta say, I actually do not like this shade as a bronzer. I feel like it's far too red, at least for my skin tone, but this is actually a really beautiful color to use for a blush. If you want to give your skin that sort of like, I was just in the sun look, it's very pretty. So that's the NUDESTIX Festival Kit. Very excited to play with all these pencils. Okay, next up, I got a little highlighter from Marc Jacobs. I've actually heard nobody talk about this. I saw this sort of near the front of the store. It was in like the whole runway collection. I didn't even know that Marc Jacobs had a runway collection, but I saw this highlighter and sort of fell in love with it almost immediately. So this is the Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer Spring 2019 Runway Edition, and it's in the shade Worth the Wait. So this is what the highlighter looks like. Obviously comes in the giant Marc Jacobs compact, which I love because these things honestly last you forever and ever and ever. The shade itself is sort of like a soft vanilla gold. It's very pretty. I actually am not wearing any highlighter on my cheeks today, specifically because I wanted to try this on with you guys on camera. So let's do that. So I'm just taking it on my little highlighter brush. This is the Morphe R36. Gonna pick up some of this and just pop it right on the top of my cheekbones. Oh my God, it is very intense. Okay. I would definitely have to say that a little bit of this product really goes a long way. I barely even tapped my brush in here and it's giving me a very intense glow. Do you guys see that? Reflection going on the top of my cheekbones. Can you see yourselves in this? Okay, I'm really happy that I picked this up. What I actually really like about this is that it doesn't really give much color to my cheeks. I was a little bit concerned about the shade because it is quite light, especially as I get more tan. I didn't know how long I would be able to use this. Before it just gave me like a white stripe on the tops of my cheekbones, but it seems to actually not give a ton of color to the cheeks and really just a very, very intense glossy type of glow. Why is nobody talking about this? Okay, I'm really excited about this product. Very happy that I picked it up. I'm putting it immediately in my vanity. So I did pick up a few skincare products, one of them being the new TATOHA, the Dewy Skin Cream. This was actually one of the products that I specifically was waiting to pick up during the sale because it is quite expensive. Let me let me look at my bill. This is an $84 cream. It's very expensive. I ended up getting it for $67. Yay for the sale. I tried it out last night and I gotta say, really like it. I mean, I can't really say too much about it. Skincare products, it definitely takes more than one use to even see if you're gonna like it, but I just really like the way that this made my skin feel and look. I could sort of understand why it's called the Dewy Skin Cream because it really left my skin looking and feeling very plump. I'm very interested to try this out actually before applying my makeup. I sort of want to see if it's going to make my foundation look any different, make my foundation look a little bit more dewy. So this is a product that is meant specifically for dry skin. So if you have an oilier skin type, maybe I would probably pass on this. Can we just take a moment for this packaging though? I feel like Tatcha always kills it with the packaging. They're always just so classy and just so beautiful. I love the fact that you actually get a little spoon right on top. So you slip it out when you're ready to use it, and that way you don't have to dip your dirty fingers in the jar and contaminate it, and it makes it a little bit more hygienic. As far as the actual moisturizer consistency and how it feels, it's a little bit on the thicker side, which I actually really love. I like a good thick moisturizer. I just feel like because of that thicker consistency, it just makes my skin feel really good, and it just feels really nice and luxurious. So, I mean, like I said, I've only tried it once. I can't give you guys my full review at all, but you'll definitely hear me talk about this again, and I'll let you guys know my updated thoughts. But so far so good. I'm excited to continue to use this product. I also went ahead and picked up the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Face Wash. Now, if you watched my most recent empties video, you probably know that I just recently finished my Youth to the People face wash. So I took the opportunity during the sale to pick up a new one because this is also a pricier product, but I love it. It's probably one of my favorite face washes. It's very gentle, but it's gentle while still being effective. I do feel like this is a product that really does get rid of all the excess makeup that I have left over in my skin, but it doesn't strip my skin at the same time. So it doesn't make it feel really like dry and almost like over cleansed. So this is a great product. Like I said, I've used it and it's a repurchase. So that says a lot. So the next thing that I got is a product that I didn't even know I wanted until I saw it, swatched it on my body, and then immediately fell in love. So recently I have started to get way more into like body makeup / body highlighting. I was never somebody who took the extra time to highlight the tips of my shoulders and my collarbones. I just never thought it was completely necessary until recently I started doing it, and I just can't believe the difference that it makes in the overall look. Now I can't stop. Every single time I go out, I take a little Max Joe cream. I just like rub it on just the very, very tops of my shoulders. I put it on my chest, I put it on my collarbones, and it just makes you look so hydrated. So I believe this is from the same brand that has the Bum Bum cream. So it actually smells exactly like that Bum Bum cream. I don't know if you guys even know what I'm talking about, but it's like that cream in the orange packaging, the same color as this. It smells like coconut, pineapples, and like a tropical vacation. So this is called the GLOWMOTIONS Glow Oil, and it says that it is a translucent, transfer-resistant shimmer, which really got me because my main concern most of the time when it comes to any type of body makeup is if it's going to transfer on myself, on my clothes, on other people. If like I go in to hug somebody, it would be really embarrassing if I got like bronzy glitter all over their white t-shirt, you know? So I was really excited to see that this specifically said that it was transfer resistant. I have not tested that yet, so I can't say if that's true or not, but I will let you guys know after I actually try this out. So I got the shade Rio Sunset. They do have a few different shades. I sort of just want to swatch it for you guys so you could see what it looks like. I'll put it right on my arm. One pump. Oh no. Oh, it just went all on my bracelet. Shit. So there are a few things that really got me when I swatched this product and what really got me to purchase it. The first being the actual texture of the product. It just feels really nice and hydrating. It has the texture of an oil, but it's a dry oil, so it doesn't feel super oily on the skin, but it does give that like layer of hydration, which I do really like. The scent is also really nice. It definitely smells very tropical. I will say though, if you're sensitive to scents, you may actually really be turned off by this because it's quite strong. Like if you wear this, you do not need to wear perfume. It's a lot, but I think I like it. And then the glow is really pretty. I feel like the camera's not gonna be able to pick it up, but what I really like about it is that it gives the skin a really nice soft sheen without it being like, bam, I'm wearing body highlighter. But I'm really excited about this little product. Can't wait to actually put it to use. Another mission that I had during the sale was to purchase another face mask. I really wanted to get a face mask that was detoxifying because I find my skin right now is a little bit clogged up. I wear a lot of makeup, just get these little like under the skin bumps. So I really wanted to get a nice detoxifying mask. I've been hearing a lot about this brand over here, so I wanted to try something from them. I've never tried anything from them before. It's from the brand BIOSSANCE, and this is the Squalane and Tea Tree Detox Mask, and it's supposed to purify, calm, and soften the skin. I actually tried this on my skin last night. Obviously, I need to try it more than once to give you guys an actual review, but I actually really like the way it felt on my skin because of the tea tree. It was really nice and cooling in a way, and it felt very like refreshing, but I definitely need to try this a few more times before I let you guys know if this actually does something. But there is French green clay in here, which is supposed to help draw out impurities, while tea tree helps reduce the look of blemishes, and it's a non-drying formula, which is really what got me, because normally detoxifying masks just like strip the skin so much, make it so much drier, and I can't have that as somebody with dry skin. So I really feel like this was sort of exactly what I was looking for. This is what the little packaging looks like, just a little squeezy tube, and yeah, so far so good. Didn't make me react or anything. It didn't feel too strong on my face. Again, I will let you guys know how this continues to perform on my skin. Next up, I got 2 lip products from LANIEGE. LANIEGE masks and lip balms have been my absolute favorites. I cannot get enough of them, especially the lip glowy balms. Oh my God, they are so good. I cannot stop using this. This has been going everywhere with me. It's pretty much been like the only lip product that I've been putting on my lips because it is so perfect. Feels really nice and hydrating, but it gives your lips the most incredible juicy finish to them. It makes your lips look so glowy. It's called the Lip Glowy Balm for a reason, guys. Funny because every time I put this on my lips, if I'm around friends, they will literally grab it from my hands, take a picture of it, and then purchase it because it just looks so amazing on the lips. I'm gonna put it on now actually so you guys can really see just how nice it is. That's what it looks like. I feel like it's just a really easy lip product to just throw on. Some of the shades do have a little bit of a tint to them, but I will say like barely. There's really not much. Really, it's all about the shine that it gives your lips, in my opinion. So I picked up another one. I got Pear. This was the only one that was still available at my Sephora. I guess right now they're very, very popular. I totally would have gotten all the other ones. I just want to smell this though and see if it smells any different. Oh, it does. It really does taste like pear. I love these so much, and honestly, I do plan on trying to pick up the other shades / flavors that I don't have online. I feel like they're probably not in stock because I feel like right now they're very popular, but man, they are so, so good. Another lip product that I pick up from LANIEGE is the Lip Sleepy Mask in Grapefruit. I love the Lip Sleepy Mask so much. It's probably one of my favorite like lip treatments that I have. That and the Agave lip mask are 2 of my favorites. I already have the vanilla, and then I also have the berry one. I use them pretty much every single day, like multiple times a day. I just find the product to be so, so nice and hydrating, and I just really like the texture of the product as well. It just feels really good on the lips. So I figured I might as well pick up another one of these while I was able to get a discount. My favorite scent is still the vanilla one, although I really do like the grapefruit. I've never smelled it before, but it's really nice and fresh. Okay, I have 2 more products here that I picked up. So this is also a very random product. I was sort of just looking through the skincare section and this caught my eye. This is from First Aid Beauty, and it is the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. And what really caught my eye about this is that it says that it is a natural luminous finish. Say no more. That is all I need to hear for me to purchase any type of foundation product. I was also intrigued because I have tried the First Aid Beauty primers. I love them. I have tried the First Aid Beauty concealers. Also love them. So I figured it would be interesting to see how the tinted moisturizer would be. I would love if you guys could let me know if you have tried this and your thoughts on this product. Another product that I specifically wanted to pick up during the sale was a hair oil spray because I really wanted something that would make my hair look really nice and shiny, especially when I do these like slick back buns, and also when I make my hair straight. I wanted something that would make my hair look almost glass-like. So I went to OUAI because OUAI is currently like one of my go-tos when it comes to hair care, and I saw that they came out with this hair and body shine mist, and I remember seeing Desi Perkins use this in one of her videos, so I figured I would pick it up and try it out. And I was also intrigued by the fact that this is a body shine mist as well. Try it out and see how shiny it makes my hair. Smells really good. Ooh, okay. Oh, very nice. Ooh, wow, look at that reflection. I feel like hair oils could be really dangerous because they could make your hair just look really, really greasy. That seems really nice. It seems very like lightweight. It didn't give my hair a weird greasy finish at all, and it made my hair look very, shiny. Was that always there? Let me know in the comments. Put it on the shoulder, see what it does. Oh, is that a shiny shoulder? Wow. Okay, so those are all the products that I personally purchased during the VIB sale. Now that we went through all of those, I do have a few more products that I just wanted to recommend perhaps to you guys that I already have in my life that I think would be great to pick up during the sale. So another lip product that I've been loving quite a bit recently is the new Patrick Ta gloss. It is called the Major Glow Lip Shine, and I have the shade She's an Influencer. I love this. This has been like my going out lip product. So I've been wearing the LANIEGE lip glow during the day, and I've been wearing this one at night. I actually find that this shade in particular is quite similar to the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the original one, but there's definitely a lot more shimmer in here. I was a little bit concerned when I first bought this because when I saw the shimmer, it's like very shimmery. So I thought that it would be very gritty on the lips and I would like feel the shimmer, but this gloss is actually very comfortable. You do not feel any grittiness on your lips whatsoever when you wear it. And because of all the shimmer, I find that it just gives the lips the most beautiful, like multi-dimensional look to them. And it really does wear very well on its own. And it also wears really nicely on top of any other lipsticks. If you want to see this in action, I did put it on in my last video. So this is kind of a boring product to recommend. It's an SPF from Josie MARAN. It's the Argan Daily SPF 47, which I know is very specific, but this is my favorite face SPF, and because summer is rolling around, I figured what better time than now to purchase an SPF for your face. This is my favorite because it does not interfere with my makeup whatsoever. It feels very comfortable on the skin. It doesn't have like a gross SPF smell, and I also find that it doesn't clog up my pores or make my skin feel weird in any type of way. If you're looking for a good SPF for the summer, I would recommend purchasing this one. I think it's great. So I also really wanted to recommend this little face mist from LILAH B. It is called the AGLOW face mist, and it is a beautiful, beautiful face mist. If you want something that's going to enhance your glow, this is a product that I would recommend to those of you with perhaps like a drier skin type or a more normal skin type. I find it to be a less intense version of the TATOHA Dewy Skin Mist. I don't love that product because I find it leaves sort of like an oily residue on the face. You have to be careful with that one. This one does not do that at all, but it leaves your skin just looking really nice and luminous and radiant. It just sort of like boosts it up a little bit, but it doesn't leave any weird residue on the face. The only negative to this product is that I feel like I'm going through it very, very quickly because it's not really very large. There's only 30 mils in here, which really isn't that much product, and it is a little bit pricier. So that's the only downside, but that's also why I think getting this during the sale is the perfect opportunity. Sort of random, but I want to talk about the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion blushes because I've been using them pretty much nonstop and I've been really enjoying them. I feel like as of late, they're pretty much the only powder blushes that I've been wearing. This shade over here is in the shade Grapefruit. Looks very, very intense in the pan, I know, but if you apply this with a light hand, it gives the most amazing, just like coral flush to the cheek. It's another one of those blushes that just makes it look like you spent a little bit of time in the sun. It gives that like nice little soft sunburnt look, but in like the most flattering, beautiful way possible. I just really like the formula of these blushes. They apply beautifully, they wear really well, and I like the shades. This shade is one of my favorites. I also really like the shade Chai, which is a little bit more of like a neutral pink. They're just really beautiful, so I wanted to give a little stamp of approval for them. So I also really wanted to recommend the little Kaja eyeshadow stacks. These are so beautiful, and I feel like such a great addition to any like eyeshadow collection. First of all, very cute, very small. This literally takes up pretty much no room in your vanity or in your makeup bag. And you have 3 eyeshadows in here that have the most amazing, gorgeous, sparkly sheen to them. These eyeshadows brush all over the lid, just give the most amazing, amazing effect. Every single time I wear them, I always get people ask me what I'm wearing. You can't go wrong with any of the shades, but Rose Water really is my favorite, and I think they're totally worth checking out. That's actually it. That finishes off my little Sephora sale haul as well as my few little recommendations. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. Again, please let me know everything that you purchased during the sale if you got anything. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.